Hi dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 1 similarity, and in that we will complete today practice set number 1.3. Before I start the exercise, let us take a quick revisions what we have learned in the previous standard. Students, today we will going to learn test of similarity of triangles, and this practice set number 1.3 it is based on this test of similarity of triangles. So we know this question number 1, AAA test for similarity of triangles. You all can see two triangles ABC and PQR. Okay, A is correspond to B, A is correspond to P, B to Q, and C to R. So in triangle ABC and PQR, we can see that angle A it is congruent to angle P, B to Q, and angle C to R. So if all the three angles, okay, this pairs of three angles are congruent, so we can say that angle ABC is similar to angle PQR by AAA test of similarity. Angle test of similarity. Second one, SAS test. Now what do you mean by SAS test? We know that two sides and one angle. Okay, in triangle KLM and RST, you all can see KL upon RS. KL is 2, RS is 3. So that corresponding side 2 by 3. And LM is 6, ST is 9. So 6 upon 9, 3 2s are 3, 3s are 2 by 3. So you all can see this 2 by 3 and this 2 by 3, it is same. Okay, so we have got these two sides as equal, and one angle, that is angle L and angle S, they are congruent. So this triangle it is similar by SAS test of similarity. And third one is what? SSS test of similarity, means side test. You all can see triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In this triangle, AB upon PQ corresponding sides 1 upon 2. Another BC upon QR 2 by 4, means 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2. And third sides AC upon PR, it is what? 3 by 6. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So you all can see 1 by 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. It is what? Same. So we can say that this triangle ABC and triangle PQR it is similar by SSS test of similarity. And the fourth one is AA test of similarity. In this, you all can see in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, this angle A it is congruent to P, and angle B it is congruent to Q. So if this angle it is congruent, so we can say that triangle ABC it is similar to triangle PQR by AA test of similarity. Students, practice set number 1.3, sum number 1. In the figure, angle ABC is 75 degree, angle EDC equals 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. So students, let us solve this sum. You all can see in triangle ABC and triangle EDC. Okay, you all can see this angle B and angle D, they are congruent. Why? Each is 75 degree. And angle C it is common in triangle ABC, angle C is coming, in triangle EDC angle C is coming. So angle C it is what? Congruent to angle C, common angle. So we have got two angles congruent. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC by AA test of similarity. So students, sum number 2, are the triangles in figure 1.56 similar? If yes, by which test? You all can see these two triangles, triangle PQR and LMN. Okay, so PQ upon LM equals 6 by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are 2 upon 1, first one. QR upon MN 8 by 4. 4 2s are 4 1s are 2 by 1, second. PR upon LN 10 by 5. 5 2s are 5 1s are, so 2 upon 1. This 2 upon 1, this 2 upon 1, and this 2 upon 1. It is what? Same. The ratios are what? Same. So we can say that in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, PQ upon LM equals QR upon MN equals PR upon LN from 1, 2 and 3. So all sides are what? Same. So we can say that this triangle PQR, it is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity, side test of similarity. Students, sum number 4, in triangle ABC, AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular AC, B dash P dash C, A dash Q dash C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. If AP is 7, BQ 8, BC 12, we have to find AC. It's very simple. First, we have to show that two triangles are similar. If it is similar, by which test? So, in triangle APC and triangle BQC, you all can see this angle C, it is what? Common in both triangles. Angle C, it is what? Common in both the triangles, common angle. And angle APC, it is congruent to angle BQC. Why? Each is 90 degree. So it is proof that triangle APC, it is similar to triangle BQC by AA test of similarity. So if it is similar, corresponding sides, so AP upon BQ equals AC upon BC. So AP upon BQ, it is what? 7 upon 8. AC we have to find, BC it is 12. So cross multiply 21 upon 2, divide it and get the answer as 10.5 units. Sum number 5 says, in trapezium PQRS, side PQ it is parallel to SR, AR equals 5 times AP, AS equals 5 times AQ. Then prove that SR equals 5 times PQ. Okay. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ it is parallel to SR. They have given AR equals 5 AP, AS equals 5 AQ. They have given us. So what we will do? AR equals 5 AP, we know that. So AR cross multiply over here, AR upon AP equals 5 by 1. First, AS equals 5 AQ. So AS cross multiply upon AQ equals 5 upon 1. So first and second equation. So in triangle ASR and triangle AQP, in these two triangle, we know that AR upon AP equals AS upon AQ, 5 upon 1, 5 upon 1, same ratio. So from 1 and 2 means two sides we have got. And if you look to this triangle SAR, angle SAR congruent to angle QAP. vertically opposite angle. So two sides and one angle. Therefore, triangle ASR is similar to triangle AQP by SAS test of similarity. So we know this is proof by SAS test of similarity. Now we will write corresponding sides of similar triangle. So SR upon PQ equals AR upon AP. SR upon PQ equals AR upon AP. What is AR upon AP? It is 5 upon 1. So we can say that SR upon PQ equals 5 upon 1, cross multiply. So SR equals 5 times PQ. Student, sum number 6. In trapezium ABCD, side AB it is parallel to side DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersects in point O. AB equals 20, DC equals 6, OB equals 50. We have to find this OD. It's very simple. Okay, we know this. It is what? Trapezium. So in trapezium ABCD, side AB it is parallel to CD. It is given. Okay, diagonal AC bisects BD at intersects at point C. Okay, on transversal AC, when two sides are parallel, always look for the transversal. So AB is parallel to CD. We have taken AC as the transversal. So CAB, angle CAB, congruent angle ACD, alternate angle test. In place of CAB, we can write OAB, and in place of ACD, we can write OCD. Equation number 1. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB congruent angle COD, vertically opposite angle. Angle OAB congruent angle OCD from 1. So we can say that triangle AOB it is similar to triangle COD by AA test of similarity. Okay, once we have got this AA test of similarity, next step is to write the corresponding sides. So AB upon DC equals OB upon OD. So 20 upon 6 equals 15 upon OD. Cross multiply. 5 3s are 5, 4s are 2 2s are 2, 3s are. So 9 upon 2 we will get as 4.5 units. Sum number 7. Quadrilateral ABCD, it is a what? Parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. This point E, it is on side BC. Line DE intersects ray AB in point D. Prove that DE into BE equals CE into TE. We have to show this. We have to prove it. Okay. We know quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and opposite sides of a parallelogram are what? We know that equal. Sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel of a parallelogram. So AB, it is parallel to CD. In place of AB, we can write this AT parallel to CD. A dash, B dash, T. A, B, T are what? Collinear points. On transversal TD, as I said earlier, that if two lines are parallel, look for the transversal. So over here TD as the transversal. So angle ATD congruent angle CDT, alternate angle means what? Z. So in place of ATD I can write BTE, and in place of CDT I can write CDE. A dash B dash D, T dash E dash D. So in triangle BTE and triangle CDE, we know this BTE congruent angle CDE from 1, and angle BET, it is congruent to angle CED, vertically opposite angle. So this triangle BTE, it is similar to triangle CDE by AA test of similarity. So this is done by AA test of similarity. So we will write corresponding sides. So BE upon CE, TE upon DE. If we cross multiply this, we will get DE into BE equals CE into TE. Sum number 9. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on the side BC such that BAC is equal angle ADC, means this angle are equal, and we have to prove that CA square equals CB into CD. So in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, we know this BAC and angle ADC, it is what? Equal. So we can write from given condition. Okay, we have got one angle, one pair of angle as congruent. Angle BCA is congruent to angle ACD, common angle. Angle C is what? Common. So it is proved that triangle ABC, it is similar to triangle DAC by AA test of similarity. Next step, we will write the corresponding sides. So CA upon CD equals CB upon CA. CA into CA will give you CA square and CB into CD. With that, practice set number 1.3 has been done. Thank you.